Hello guys, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Memawo akwaba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Today Yaa Asantewaa is going to make the Ghanaian food, Ghanaian light soup. Ghanaian light soup is my favorite food. So now let me introduce the ingredients to you. Tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, peppers, beef, tilapia, salt, and some other spice. Guys, so the first thing is to wash your tilapia and the beef, cut them into pieces and put them in the pot. Guys, I have my beef and tilapia ready here. So I'm going to put the beef and tilapia into the pot. Put some salt on it. Some chicken powder, some spice, put some little water on it. Later, I will cut some onion into pieces, put it into the pot and steam it for some time. Guys, the beef and tilapia is already steaming in the pot. So now I'm going to cut the onion, ginger, garlic and pepper into pieces. Next is to cut the garlic. After cutting them, I'm going to put them into the blender. Some water, salt. Going to blend it now. After blending it, I'm going to pour it into the pot. Stir it. Leave it to steam for some time. Next, I'm going to cut my tomatoes into pieces. Later, I'm going to blend it. After cutting the tomatoes, you put them into the blender to blend it, and you can add some water into it. Now my tomato sauce is ready. I'm going to pour it into the pot. Pour some water into the container. You need to stir it. Now my light soup is ready. I'm just gonna leave it for 8 to 10 minutes to steam it for some time. Guys, my light soup is almost ready. Oh my god, it's a lot. It smells so good. Guys, my light soup is ready, so I'm gonna serve it. Going to take some beef and the tilapia. It smells so good. My saliva is about to come out. I know Ghanaian eat this with the rice and banku, so today I'm gonna eat the light soup with rice. Guys, my light soup and rice are ready, so now I'm going to try it. I can't wait. Very fresh and delicious. Guys, if you like my video and you are new in my channel, please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.